Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Premanand. I'm a facial-maxillary and aesthetic surgeon, director of ANU Aesthetics. Today I am talking on anti-aging and a new tool which we have launched for anti-aging. So let me brief you how this HBOT is going to help you in anti-aging. When there are so many creams, when there are so many medications and laser treatments, XYZ, so many are there in the market, and what is the difference between them and this HBOT, or in conjunction with that and HBOT, what is the difference is gonna thing I'm gonna wanna explain you all. So coming to this HBOT, what happens is when normally in our body the red blood cells supposed to carry 4 molecules of oxygen, but due to a lot of this toxicity and various reasons, the number of oxygen carrying capacity in the RBCs comes down. So when you breathe 100% oxygen, so what happens is the binding capacity of RBCs, that is your red blood cells, is going to increase to 4 molecules, and then it's going to improve on your circulation, and it's going to have various effects which I'll be explaining you. So not only when you breathe oxygen, the binding capacity increases. You're going to breathe this oxygen under a pressure. This pressure is going to get customized to every individual depending on their requirements, depending on their needs. We have various settings which we can do in this machine, with how much atmospheric pressure he can take and how much of duration he can take. All this will be how much of ventilation rate and how much of, how fast you dive him in and out. All this is customizable. So depending on a patient's requirements, needs, we experts customize this treatment. And when you're going to breathe this oxygen under pressure, not only the red blood cells is going to have a binding capacity, even the plasma fluid is going to be 100% oxygenated, and this is going to reach to all the extremities of our part, that is our skin, which will help in glow and reduction in wrinkles and sagging, etc. Coming to this wrinkles and sagging, this basically happens due to the ultraviolet rays which is there in the sunlight. So the sunlight has got 2 types of ultraviolet rays, that is UVA and UVB. So UVB is less harmful and it causes the sun damage, which we protect it with our sunscreen and SPF creams and various other things available at the store. But what happens when you get exposed to UVA? There is nothing to protect us, because this is going to penetrate so deep that it's going to release so much of cells which will cause wrinkles and anti-aging factors. So this hyperbaric oxygen, when we take excess of oxygen, that means 100% of oxygen, that is called hyperoxia. When you are in hyperoxic mode, your cells gets blocked. The release of cells which causes this anti-aging gets blocked. That is that UVA rays gets blocked, and then this helps in reducing the wrinkles, sagging, and the total outglow of the skin completely gets rejuvenated. So it is an amazing thing, and everybody should try this to know what actually is this and how safe is this and how youthful you're going to become with this technology. Thank you.